So this is I believe it's called the Bottleneck from Mantis knives. This is when their original run when they first came out. So it's a California legal Balisong. So you have the bottle opener when it's closed. It's got a pocket clip right here. All right. It has a latch. This is the single edge, and they also sell a double edge. I got the single edge just because I think it would be safer for swinging around. This one's kind of takes a minute to learn how to open it because of the bottle opener part. And the double edge also has 2 points at the top, and I don't really like that, so I went with the single edge.